Hello, am I audible now? Okay. So write some question. Write some question. Number 1. Give example of combination and decomposition reaction which are redox reaction also. Give example of combination and decomposition reaction which are redox reaction also. Number 2. What do you observe when FeSO4 is heated strongly? Number 3. Why H3PO3 is a dibasic acid, not a tribasic acid? Tribasic acid. Number 4. Among fluorine and chlorine, which has higher EA value and why? Number 5. Draw 3 isomer with molecular formula C3H6O. Have you written the question? Hello, student. All of you written the question? Now, what will be the answer of the first question? Give example of combination reaction which is redox reaction also. Anyone? Combination reaction that is redox reaction. Very simple question. Array, see this equation: C plus O2 CO2 H2 plus O2 H2O N2 plus H2 NH3, all are a redox reaction because there is change in oxidation number. So these are the combination reaction, but it is also redox reaction. Or decomposition reaction which is redox reaction, say 2H2O electric current 2H2 plus O2. It is a decomposition reaction. Here hydrogen is reduced and oxygen is oxidized. Or NaCl 2NaCl electric current 2Na plus Cl2. These are the decomposition reaction. Any type of compound which is under decomposition give two element, that is the redox reaction. দেখো এখানে ওয়াটার একটা কম্পাউন্ড, এটা ডিকম্পোজ করে দুটো এলিমেন্ট দিচ্ছে, সোডিয়াম ক্লোরাইড অন ডিকম্পোজিশন গিভ টু এলিমেন্ট. সো দিজ আর ডিকম্পোজিশন রিয়াকশন অ্যান্ড অ্যাজ ওয়েল অ্যাজ redox reaction. When ferrous sulfate is heated strongly, what do you observe? In a dry test tube, if you take ferrous sulfate and heat strongly, what do you observe? What is the observation? You know ferrous sulfate FeSO4, when heated, it undergoes decomposition reaction to form ferric oxide SO2 and SO3. Now what is the color of ferrous sulfate? Dirty green. What is the color of ferric salt? Reddish brown. So your first observation, dirty green color of ferrous sulfate changes into reddish brown precipitate. The solid ferrous sulfate dirty green that gradually changes into reddish brown solid, and a colorless suffocating order gas is evolved. SO2 and SO3 both are colorless but suffocating. Colorless suffocating order gas is evolved. Okay. So first you write the dirty green solid changes into reddish brown precipitate but reddish brown solid residue, and a colorless or suffocating order gas is evolved. Why H3PO3 is a dibasic, not a tribasic acid? What is basicity of acid? Anyone? What is basicity of acid? Do you know what is basicity of acid? What is basicity? It is the number of H plus ion produced per molecule of an acid in aqueous solution. Number of hydronium ion produced per molecule of an acid in aqueous solution. This is called basicity. Now here 3 hydrogen atom is present, but in aqueous solution it give 2 hydronium ion, not 3 hydronium ion. Since in one molecule of phosphorus acid on dissociation in water medium give 2 H plus ion, so it is a dibasic acid. Now why it give 2 H plus ion, not 3 H plus ion? That can be explained on the basis of its structure. This is the structure of phosphorus acid. You know phosphorus have 5 valence electron. 2 valence electron form 2 bond with 2 oxygen atom, and this oxygen atom form a bond with hydrogen atom. 1 valence electron form covalent bond with hydrogen atom, and another 2 valence electron form double bond with oxygen atom. Now this is the structure of phosphorus acid. Now in case of oxy acid, these are called oxy acid, the basicity depend number of OH group. Here 2 OH group is present. This hydrogen cannot dissociate as H plus ion because the pH bond is no more polar bond, because phosphorus is less electronegative than oxygen. So OH bond is polar, carrying negative charge on oxygen and positive charge on hydrogen. So this dissociate to form H plus ion, but this bond is not polar, so it cannot dissociate to form H plus ion. So only 2 hydrogen atom is produced from 2 OH molecule, OH group, so it is a dibasic acid, not a tribasic acid. Okay. So since phosphorus acid in aqueous solution give 2 H plus ion per molecule, because it has 2 OH group in its structure, so it is a dibasic acid, not tribasic acid. Among fluorine and chlorine, which have higher electron affinity value? electron affinity value which have higher, fluorine or chlorine? Hello, which have higher electron affinity value? Chlorine. Why chlorine has higher electron affinity value? Normally electron affinity value decrease down the group, but this is the exceptional case because due to very small size of phosphorus atom, already 7 electron present in outermost shell, that is electron density is very high. So incoming electron experience a repulsion from the strong electron dense electron cloud of the outermost shell. So less amount of energy is released. But in case of chlorine, the third shell, so size of the third shell is comparatively larger. So electron density is not so much that the incoming electron can experience that type of repulsive force. So chlorine have greater electron affinity than fluorine. ফ্লোরিনের ভেরি স্মল সাইজের জন্য ইলেকট্রন ক্লাউডের ডেন্সিটি ভেরি হাই, ফলে ইনকামিং যে ইলেকট্রনটা অ্যাড হবে ইট এক্সপিরিয়েন্স অ্যান্ড রিপালশন, সো সাম অ্যামাউন্ট অফ এনার্জি ইজ লস। নেক্সট, ড্র দ্য 3 isomer with the molecular formula C3H6O. Can you draw 3 isomer with molecular formula C3H6O? Hello? C3H6O, the general formula CnH2nO, that means it must contain an aldehyde group and a keto group. So this will be the aldehyde group CH3, CH2, CHO. What is the name? Propanol. And a keto group CH3, CO, CH3, so C2, C3H6O. This is known as propanone. And you can write an alcoholic group also, unsaturated alcohol, CH2 double bond COH CH3, prop 1 in 2 all. So these are the 3 isomer with molecular formula C3H6O. Understood? Hello student, understood? Now write the next question. Write next question. Number 6. State 3 difference between group 1 elements and group 17 elements. 3 difference between group 1 and group 17, that is alkali metal and halogen. Next, state the position of following element in the periodic table: sodium 11, sulfur 16, argon 18, calcium 20. Next, what type of reaction alkane and alkene undergo? Give suitable example. suitable example. Number 9. Write general formula of alkene, alkyne and alcohol. Write general formula of alkene, alkyne and alcohol. Okay. Now, can you tell three difference between group 1? Group 1 mean alkali metal. That mean lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. And group 17 means halogen. That mean fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetine. What are the main difference? All the elements of group 1 have 1 electron in the outermost shell, so they are metal. But all the elements of group 17 have 7 electron in the outermost shell, so they are non-metal. Number 2, group 1 element lose electron to form cation, but group 17 element gain electron to form anion. And number 3, all the elements of group 1 are good reducing agent, but all the elements of group 17 are good oxidizing agent. Okay. Or you can write group 1 element are electropositive, group 17 element are electronegative. Understood? First, group 1 element have 1 electron in the outermost shell, so they are metal. Group 17 electron have 7 electron in the outermost shell, so they are non-metal. Group 1 element loses 1 electron to form unipositive cation. Group 17 element gain 1 electron to form uninegative anion. Group 1 element are good reducing agent and group 17 element are good oxidizing agent. So these are the main difference between the halogen and alkali metal. Okay. Hello student, understood? Hello? Am I audible or not? Okay. Now state the position of the following element in the periodic table. First you write the atomic number. Say sodium. Sodium, atomic number 11. Hot electron 281. So how many cell? 3. So it belongs to period 3. Or group valence electron 1. So group 1. So sodium belongs to period 3 group 1. Now sulfur, what is the electronic configuration? 16, that means 286, the number of cell 3, so period 3, a group valence electron 6, so 6 plus 10, 16, group 16 in the modern periodic table. Hello? Hello? Hello student, am I audible now? Hello, am I audible or not? Okay. Now argon. What is the atomic number of argon? 18. Electronic configuration 288. So it belongs to period 3. Our group 10 outermost 8 electron. 10 plus 8, 18. Group 18. Now calcium 20. That is 2882. That belongs to period 4. Outermost 2 electrons. So group 2. Okay, so in this way, first you write the electronic configuration, then number of cell represent the number of period, and the valence electron if 1 or 2, that means it group 1 or 2. If the valence electron is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then it belongs to group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, so on. Okay. Now what type of reaction alkane and alkene undergo? You know alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon mainly undergo substitution reaction. তাহলে alkane undergo substitution reaction. What is the example of substitution reaction? Say methane reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight to form CH3Cl plus HCl. One of the hydrogen atom is replaced by halogen. This type of reaction is known as substitution reaction. This CH3Cl reacts again with chlorine in presence of sunlight to form CH2Cl2 plus HCl. In this way, step by step, all 4 hydrogen atoms can be replaced by halogen. So alkane have carbon-carbon single bond only. This is known as saturated hydrocarbon. So they can only undergo substitution reaction. Now alkene is the unsaturated compound. CnH2n, it contains at least carbon-carbon double bond. So due to presence of unsaturation, they mainly undergo addition reaction. You know, saturated hydrocarbon undergo substitution reaction, and unsaturated hydrocarbon, it may be double bond, may be triple bond, undergo addition reaction. For example, alkene CH2 double bond CH2, when add chlorine in presence of CCl for the solvent actor, it gives CH2Cl single bond CH2Cl. This is addition reaction. Similarly, say this CH3CH double bond CH2, propene, when add HBr, it gives CH3CH BrCH3, 2-bromo-propane. So alkene undergo addition reaction, that is either one molecule hydrogen or one molecule halogen or one molecule halogen acid or water molecule or ozone molecule is added, and it converted from unsaturated to saturated hydrocarbon. Now next write general formula of alkane, alkyne and alcohol. What is the general formula of alkene? The general formula CnH2n. Alkyne, general formula CnH2n minus 2. And alcohol, what is the general formula? CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the general formula of alkane, alkyne and alkyne. This is CnH2n, this is CnH2n minus 2, and this is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Hello student, understood? Hello? Now write the last question. IUPAC name of the following: number 1 C2H5 CH OH CH3 CH2, number 2 CH3O CH CH3 CH2 CH3, number 3 CH3 CH C2H5 CH2 CHO, and last number 4 CH CH3 CH, Br CH2 COOH. What will be the UPAC name of the first compound? C2H5 CHOH CH3, sorry, CH2 CH3. What will be UPAC name of the first compound? Anyone? UPAC name of the first compound? No response. এখন বসে থাকে নাকি খালি খাতা পেন নিয়ে না মোবাইল নিয়ে বসে আছে গেমস খেলছি নাকি রে? দিস ইজ নোন অ্যাজ 1 2 3 4 5 3 নম্বরে ওএইচ গ্রুপ পেন্টান 3 অল, pentan 3 all, pentan 3 all. What will be UPAC name of second compound? UPAC name of second compound? Anyone? UPAC name of second compound? This is the oxy group, alkoxy. Here 1 2 3 4 2 এ কি আছে মিথক্সি, তাহলে 2 মিথক্সি চারটে মানে বিউটেন, অ্যালকক্সি অ্যালকেন 2 মিথক্সি বিউটেন. This is the aldehyde. How many carbon atom present in the longest carbon chain? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So this will be the longest carbon chain. 1 2 3 4 5 because here C2 3 তে কি আছে মিথাইল গ্রুপ, তাহলে 3 মিথাইল, 5 মিন্স পেন্ট, আর এখানে অ্যাল আছে তাহলে পেন্টানল, 3 মিথাইল পেন্টানল. হিয়ার কার্বক্সিলিক অ্যাসিড গ্রুপ 1 2 3 4 3 তে ব্রোমো, তাহলে 3 ব্রোমো আর 4 মিন্স বিউট, তাহলে বিউটানোইক অ্যাসিড, butanoic acid, 4 bromo butanoic acid. Hello student, understood? Hello? Okay, so you should practice this type of question. Okay, bye. Have you any question regarding chapter 1 to 5? From next week, so I will perform practical on online, live online class. Then you write the chemistry practical from the next week. This you see, this is the chemistry lab actually. I take your class in chemistry lab from the next week. So the syllabus that is present in your chemistry part, so will be shown on the live online practical class, and then you will write the chemistry practical. Okay.